New technology has been added to CAMWorks 2023 to ensure that the appropriate feed and speed data is considered for different stock materials associated with different parts or part instances in a SOLIDWORKS assembly. Here you can see I have two different parts made from two different materials in this SOLIDWORKS assembly. One part will be machined from 316 stainless steel and the other from 6061 T6 aluminum. I've specified the correct material for each part in the stock manager, and if I open one of the rough milling operations on the part on the left and go to the Feed and Speed tab, you can see CAMWorks has identified the material as 316 stainless steel and will select the appropriate feeds and speeds from the Feed and Speed library. Likewise, if I open the operations for the part on the right, you can see the material has been identified as 6061 aluminum, and the correct feeds and speeds for this material will be used. The correct feeds and speeds based on the material type will also be selected if they have been stored under a particular tool.